So guys, simulan na natin ang pag-vlog. Kasi ang dami kong ginagawa sa buhay and sa tingin ko okay siya i-vlog. Pero ayun, simulan na natin. So mag-upload ako next week, gagawin natin parang anime. So 1 week ako mag-vlog. Then next week natin na-upload. Ito for intro lang. And ayun, let's lock in before we clock in again. Guys, ayoko na talagang trabaho. Decidido na ako na ayoko magtrabaho sa buong buhay ko. Maliban na lang if I'm working on myself or working towards my goal. That's my goal for 2026. And ayun, talagang ayoko magtrabaho for someone. I just want to work with myself and with my, I don't know, it's just I need to focus on the real things right now and ayun. And syempre, may supported naman akong asawa. Sabi niya, tuloy ka naman daw, right? Ay, supportive ba yan? Supportive ba yan? See. Pero ayun, guys, this is just the intro. And ayun, madami tayong pag-uusapan, madami akong sasabihin. Madami tayong gagawin. So, let's go. Subscribe para makita nyo next week. Anime time.